Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 5 of programming in JavaScript statements. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application which is Sublime Text. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for Sublime Text, open up the application, and now you should have the preloaded code in from the previous tutorials. If not, go to File, Open, search for index.html, and then come back to this tutorial. And now we can increase the size of the text edit file. Before we start programming JavaScript statements, we can remove the code we no longer require. So we can now remove the code we no longer require. Command / to remove the heading. And now we can change my first web page to JavaScript statements. And now bring in a new line of a paragraph and type in a JavaScript program is a list of statements to be executed by a computer. And with the paragraph. And now we can leave PID equals demo as it is. Go into script. And now declare some variables. var xyz. Semicolon. Go to a new line. Give x and y a value. And then z equals x and y. Semicolon. And now we already have the line of code that says document.getElement by ID demo equals inner.html. Remove the numbers. And now add in the value of z within speech marks. Plus z. Plus speech marks and then a full stop. So we are now ready to run the website to see what the value really is. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, Document, My YouTube Channel, Tutorials, JavaScript, go to index.html, right click, open with Safari, decrease the size of the web browser, minimize Finder, likewise with Sublime Text, so we can then work on both windows at the same time. So we now have a website. JavaScript statement. A JavaScript program is a list of statements to be executed by a computer. And now we have the script tag with all the information. The value of z is 11. So we can now quit Safari, quit Sublime Text. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.